Imagine biting into perfectly crispy fries or succulent chicken wings, knowing they're cooked with up to 90% less fat. Sounds like a dream, right? This Philips 2000 Series Air Fryer makes this a reality, transforming your kitchen into a hub of healthy, delicious meals. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious foodie, or someone who loves hosting dinner parties, this air fryer is here to simplify cooking while delivering mouth-watering results. Let's dive into why this compact powerhouse is a must-have for modern kitchens, and stick around for a closer look at its game-changing features. Why the Philips 2000 Series Air Fryer stands out. Air fryers have taken the culinary world by storm, but not all are created equal. The Philips 2000 Series Air Fryer combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game. With its RapidAir technology, 4.4 quart capacity, and a sleek cooking window, this air fryer delivers on both performance and convenience. Whether you're whipping up a quick weeknight meal or impressing guests with a multi-course spread, this appliance has you covered. What makes it so special? It's not just about frying, it's about redefining how you cook. From grilling to baking, roasting to reheating, the 13 cooking functions let you explore endless possibilities. Plus, its energy-efficient design saves time and lowers your utility bills, all while keeping your food crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Curious. Let's break down the features that make this air fryer a kitchen superstar. Key features and benefits. RapidAir technology for healthier cooking. Say goodbye to greasy meals. The innovative RapidAir system circulates hot air at high speeds, delivering crispy, golden brown results with up to 90% less fat. Enjoy your favorite fried foods guilt-free, from fries to chicken nuggets, without sacrificing flavor. Cooking window for perfect results. No more opening the basket and losing heat to check on your food. The built-in cooking window lets you monitor your dishes in real time, ensuring they're cooked to perfection every time. Watch your cupcakes rise or your veggies crisp up. It's like a front row seat to culinary magic. Intuitive touchscreen. Interface. Navigating the 13 cooking functions is a breeze with the user-friendly touchscreen. Choose from presets like frozen fries, chicken drumsticks, or even cake, or customize time and temperature for precise control. Cooking has never been this effortless. Versatile 13-in-1 cooking functions. This air fryer does it all. Air fry, bake, grill, roast, reheat, defrost, dehydrate, and more. Whether you're toasting breakfast pastries or preparing a whole roast chicken, the Philips 2000 series handles it with ease. Energy efficient and time-saving. Cook up to 50% faster and save up to 70% on energy compared to a traditional oven. This means less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your meals with loved ones. Easy cleanup for busy lifestyles. The non-stick star plate and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a snap. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your creations. Compact, yet spacious design. With a 4.4 quart, 4.2 liter capacity, it's perfect for small families or dinner parties, holding up to 500 grams of fries or 6 chicken drumsticks. Its sleek design fits any countertop, making it ideal for kitchens big and small. Who is this air fryer for? The Philips 2000 Series Air Fryer is perfect for busy parents. Whip up quick, healthy meals for picky eaters without the hassle. Health-conscious cooks. Enjoy fried favorites with less fat and fewer calories. Home entertainers. Impress guests with crispy appetizers and perfectly cooked mains. Small space dwellers. Its compact design fits effortlessly into apartments or cozy kitchens. Why choose Philips over competitors? Compared to other air fryers like the Ninja 4QT or Cosori 5Q2, the Philips 2000 series shines for its compact design and unique features. While the Ninja offers solid performance, It lacks the cooking window that makes the Philips so user-friendly. The Cosori is a budget-friendly option, but its smaller capacity and fewer presets can't match the Philips versatility. At under $100, the Philips 2000 series offers premium features at an affordable price, making it a smart investment for any kitchen. Final thoughts. If you're tired of greasy meals, long cooking times, or complicated kitchen appliances, the Philips 2000 series air fryer is your answer. It's a versatile, energy-efficient, and easy-to-use appliance that delivers crispy, healthy meals with minimal effort. From its RapidAir technology to its sleek cooking window, every feature is designed to make cooking fun, fast, and flavorful. Whether you're feeding a family or treating yourself to a solo snack, this air fryer will quickly become your go-to kitchen companion. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more